Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make these cute highlighter word search cards. They'd be great for Valentine's or even the end of year for a little gift for your students. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to thewordsearch.com and you're going to click on Word Search Maker. That's going to take you to this screen. You're going to type in a title, your description, and put in the names of your students. Click your subject and submit. It's going to show you where all of the names are on your word search so you can make sure they're all there. You're going to click on Download and Print, and then you're going to click on Download as Image. Okay, so it's going to download it as a PNG. You're also going to need to find a stock photo of a highlighter and a swoosh and your Bitmoji if you want to include those on the highlighter as well, on the highlighter card. So in Design Space, you can use the template that I added to my post, and it's basically just a coloring card where I have used the crayon holder, made it into one, spaced it out a little bit more, and made the holes bigger for a highlighter. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my word search. I already uploaded my Bitmoji and the highlighter, as you can see. I'm going to find my PNG. I'm going to go to Complex, and I like to select the background and erase it. I also don't want the title, so I'm going to erase that, as well as the link to play it online. Now, because I want a certain order of my names, and the wordsearch.com mixes up the order, I am going to erase it. I also like to have a font that kind of matches the rest of my card. If you want to leave the names in, you absolutely can. Click on Apply and Continue, Print and Cut Image, and Upload. So now I'm going to select my items and put them onto the canvas. So you can see I already typed my names, and I typed them using KG font. That one's neatly printed. So I'm going to just kind of size it to match my names, and I'm going to put it next to each other. I can even align it by centering vertically, and then I'm going to group these together. I'm going to click Group, and I'm going to resize it to make it exactly 4 inches. The width of the card is 4.5. Now I'm going to select my card, and I'm going to make sure that it's ungrouped. Yours may be grouped together. So you want to ungroup this, and I'm going to put my pieces on my card. I'm going to put my highlight swoosh behind the word highlight. I'm going to group those together as well. And I'm going to move that onto my template. I'm going to put my name down here. If it disappears, just click on Send to Front. Now where I think I have everything where I want it, I'm probably going to move this up a little bit, and I'm going to move this up a little bit. And then I'm going to remove the holder. I'm going to select all, and I'm going to center it horizontally. Then I'm going to add in my Bitmoji, which didn't want to go to the front, and I'm going to put in my marker as well. Now that I have everything where I want it, I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to flatten it so it'll be print and cut. Then I'm going to move my crayon holder to the right spot, and I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to center it. Now I'm going to click Attach, and I'm ready to go. So I'm just going to duplicate it, put them right next to each other, and I'm going to click Align, Center Horizontally, and I'm going to, actually that was the wrong thing to do. I'm just going to click them right next to each other, and I'm going to select them, and I'm going to attach them. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Make It. And then you'll see that it's going to be 2 cards on 1 piece of cardstock. So you can go ahead and print and cut. I hope that really helped, and enjoy.